install my TV with me.
I'm assuming they do, but not 100% sure. We're going to need to lay this guy down, Marco. Pardon? No, I haven't. I'll be there today, so I might steal some. Oh, come on. Thank you, Daryl. Centered.
Yeah.
Space in between.
Correct.
About how high do you think you want the TV from middle of the screen?
Okay.
My hand.
Wait, let's take it right here.
You want the bottom of the TV?
Yeah.
I would say that's a little bit high.
Okay.
Because if you're sitting so close,
Yeah,
you
then.
tend to look up a little bit more. So
Oh,
your
okay.
neck gets
So
straight.
What do you think?
Ideally, you actually want the middle of the screen,
Okay.
eye level, or the bottom half of the TV.
You're a professional. I'll go with you.
You're a professional.
Yeah.
Congrats, Daryl.
So the eye level when you're sitting down should be in between here.
Okay.
So like if you're sitting down on that couch,
Okay.
Like, oh,
that's more like there. Like, your eye level will be in between. Right? At the end of the day, you can recommend all you want, but it's your TV. You put it out.
No, I think you're the professional. Yeah. Whatever you suggest, we're gonna go with it.
Yeah, bottom of the TV here, and then that will be the top of the TV. I don't know. Do you want to move that a little bit closer and
Sure.
sit down? Just kind of.
I need to replace my blade.
Yeah.
Okay, we still need more. Okay, so do I just go to the bigger size and let's see. New model year, they have to change the holes to make it super fun to
Oh yeah, you know,
figure out.
when I was at Best Buy, I was actually looking for the 2014, and there was just one, and then obviously I had 2015.
Oh, this is like a new TV.
Do you have
Yes.
your bucket O hardware?
Sure.
Okay, can I steal your
Hi, Pa.
so we got a bolt that's too long and we have to use too much space?
Oh my god, look at that! Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Canta. Yo.
Someone. No turning.
Do you guys need help?
Oh no, we'll be good.
Okay.
Screen protector on this one?
I do.
There should be.
I do. I do. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it fun?
Okay. Push it back, set.
Ooh. I love it.
I got maybe a half inch to the left, right.
Good. It's
What is that?
good. Now let's see.
I think it's there. The first cupboard where you're standing.
I thought they always put screen.
Down. The cupboard where you're standing in front.
It's level.
I saw it there. I thought you were the one who kept it there. I didn't know who kept it there.
No.
Oh, bell box. What are we doing with the drill? Are we just mounting the bottom? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it's right here.
Big money, no whammies. Right.
Shane, leave that place, Daddy.
That's a big TV.
Yeah, baby, that's a big TV.
Oh my god. I don't want to be that TV. I don't want to cut that TV. I don't want to cut that TV. My head can be broken. My head can be broken.
Oh.
It can work. It can work. It can work. It can work.
Yes, Papa, it can work.
It can work.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's the
It
Wi-Fi.
can work.
You want to enter a password?
It can work. That can work.
Careful, buddy.
No,
Don't touch the
Shane,
screen,
you
okay?
accept it.
This can work.
No, you're not right.
This can work. But this can work. 2, 3. Oh,
Yeah, I think you got it. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, it's not the TV.
Where are the smart apps on this TV? They do need you to have a Samsung account in order to use apps like Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus. So it just needs you to scan your phone, scan the QR code with your phone, and it just
Mommy, it's on YouTube, Mommy.
They're showing YouTube? That's the only thing that you're interested
The box with the box and then need that box. We need to take it away. We need to take the box 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 away.
Do we have just the bracket at all or no? It's all the way to the right.
Let's go with this.
That's where it started then. Okay, I think we're off to Bowmanville. You have anything else there? That was maybe. Yeah, the last one. I'll probably get very close.
It's called calibrating, correct?
Yes.
And what's the essence of it?
So basically what we're trying to do is make your TV look as close to real life as possible.
Okay.
Or whatever the director intended the picture to look like. So if I were to take a picture of your backyard, like the green of the tree,
Okay.
it should look exactly the same as you see it with your eyes on your screen.
Okay, guys, you heard that. That's what calibrating is all about. Trying to make it look real as possible.
45 minutes.
45 minutes?
30, 45
I
minutes?
go through all of the settings, that's why.
Oh, wow. That's a whole lot of time.
Very expensive equipment hooked up as well.
Yeah.
So that guy on there is basically a camera on the screen.
Okay.
So it measures the light that's coming off of the screen.
Yeah, then show him the video to explain.
Oh, sorry.
Like, show him, you know, like, these
Yeah.
ones.
It'll show me the reading on the software. And
Okay.
then from there, I adjust the settings on the TV to be within industry standard.
Okay, perfect. Guys, you heard that. The best is giving you the best information. So Geek Squad, it's what you have to check out from Best Buy to get the best.
Mommy. Mommy, I'm gonna show this and this.
You want me to show that?
Yes.
So guys, this is what Shane has been doing, and he wanted me to show you guys. What's that, Shane?
That is nothing.
It's nothing. Then why do you want me to show them?
I sent them my box.
You want them to see your blocks? Okay guys, so this is Shane's blocks. You happy now?
I want to see my box. My box. I want to look at my box.
Hi guys, look at Shane's
In
block.
St. Pete Clearwater, find just what you're looking for and more. More dollars and cents. More room and more fish and chips. Look now at visitstc.com.
Does it look similar to the other Samsung remote? No, it's different? Okay, so first thing I want to show you is... Sorry, I don't want to be yelling over you. Okay, so first thing I want to show you is there's no AA or AAA batteries on this. There's a solar panel at the back, so it's rechargeable. So if you just kind of get into the habit of just leaving the solar panel exposed when you're not using it, the charge should kind of keep like around the same level.
Oh, okay.
If it goes below 20%, the TV will actually warn you. And then you can also plug it in with a USB-C cable, same cable as your Samsung phone.
No, Shane. No. You just go. Oh.
You go up and down for volume. If you press it, it's mute. At the bottom, you can see that there's quick launch buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, and Prime. So if I press one of those buttons, it'll just launch the app for you. Anything else? If you press this home button, it'll bring you to the home menu. And then from there, this is kind of like your main menu. You can see that there's a bell
Icon there.
So if you press to the bell, it should just switch to your bell box, and then you grab your bell remote. I will have to set that up because when we plugged it in, it wasn't set up already. That will set up in a second. Other than that, just to navigate the menu, it's up,
Just
down,
up,
left,
down,
right.
right, yeah.
Middle button is okay, just like any other remote. Pretty simple, not much buttons.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
I think it's cool.
so that's the
Thank you
operation
so
of your TV.
much.
So now I can show you, yes, it's very light. So now I can show you how to, like the difference between the calibrated picture and not.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to that video that I was on.
I was just about to ask, like, how do we compare the calibrated?
Yes. So this is the video that I usually use for comparing them.
These dishes just aren't getting clean.
I'll wait for the end.
machine. It's likely your detergent. I recommend switching to Cascade Power Plus. Despite power of Dawn, easily remove 100% of tough stuck-on.
So we're trying to make your TV look as close to real life as possible, or whatever the director intended the picture to look like. So the TV mode, or the picture mode, that I have calibrated, if you go into the full settings, is the movie mode. Okay? So you have all of these other ones here. You have dynamic, standard, eco, and under that is filmmaker mode. So movie is the one that's been calibrated. Out of the box, the TV is set to eco mode. In the stores, when you're looking at those demos, they're set to dynamic mode. Okay? So in a second, I'm just going to go further on the video here. Okay, so when I look at this image, it looks very natural to me. Like this is how I would expect grass and trees and bushes to look. Kind of similar to what I'm looking at outside right now.
Yeah.
Versus that is set to in the stores. You see how it's very bright, very vibrant. It looks almost fluorescent green. It doesn't look real, right? Whereas this, yes, while it does look darker, it's more in tune with how real life is. Like, this is Scotland. The stereotype is that it's usually very overcast and cloudy, right? So to me, this would look like an overcast, cloudy day. Versus this, I can't tell. Maybe it's sunny. It's kind of in between sunny and cloudy. So it looks a little off to me. Versus this, again, looks very natural. So we have color accuracy, but the other thing is detail accuracy as well. So if I'm looking at this very old castle, again, it looks very natural to me. So if I'm paying attention to how the bricks look versus this, now it does look sharper, but there's something unnatural to it. It almost looks like it's been touched up by a computer, or almost like AI.
Yeah, true.
Right. So this compared to that. So it looks sharper, but it doesn't look real. Versus here, it smooths it out, but it looks more realistic, more in tune with how I would see it in real life. The next point I want to make with the calibration is you get more details in the dark scenes. So this scene, very dark, but in the background I can still make out that there's some detail to the mountains. Under the castle where the shadows are on the wall, just under that, there's a bush there, there's some rocks. I can still make that out. Right? Versus if I were to switch it off, so you see now, while it does become brighter, that bush I can barely make out. This is now a little bit more detailed. So it's not a day and night change, but it's all these little things that make up your entire picture to make it like your entire experience better. And the last point I want to make in the calibration is in very dark scenes, or white parts of the picture. So again, this looks like natural white fog to me, versus this. You see how in the whites, it looks very blue. So natural white versus kind of blue.
Yeah, bluish.
So I don't know if you heard anything on like any media about how blue light off of LED screens is kind of harsh on the eyes. That's the blue light that they're talking about. So while movie mode doesn't completely eliminate the blue light, it tones it down so that it's not as harsh on our eyes.
So you can actually still just move. You can actually toggle between what
yes, it's your TV. You can watch it however you want. So if you wanted to switch it to dynamic, standard, or eco, you can.
Then you have calibrated the movie mode.
Well, movie mode is the one that's going to be the most accurate.
Makes sense. Okay.
So one thing I also want to point out is, yes, the first thing that people notice when it comes to the calibration is, yes, it's very dark. Especially if you're comparing this to like this, right?
Yeah.
Because our eyes, whether it's computer screens, phone screens, TV screens, you usually see set up like this, right? Versus this.
He's peeing.
So that brightness setting, the software told me that 21 is the ideal spot for a bright room. Most of the time I do bump it up a little bit because for me, it also does look very dark, right? So this is the only setting under movie mode that I would say you can play around with.
Okay, the only thing is the brightness.
Yes. So contrast, sharpness, color, any of that, don't touch it.
Okay.
Brightness is just literally the brightness of the screen, so it won't change the color or anything. But you can increase the brightness. Like say for example, it's very bright in this room, you need it a little bit brighter so you can actually see.
Yeah. Oh, this looks good.
So
the quality stays the same.
Quality stays the same. But I'll leave it actually bumped up a little bit. 31 looks a little bit nicer to me.
Yeah.
Especially if I'm comparing it to that. That looks very, very bright, whereas that a little bit more better. But yeah, that's it.
More natural.
Exactly. That's what we're going for.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yes, guys.
Yeah, this looks more natural.
So guys, after the calibration, this is the end result. I just want to say thank you for everything that you have done. We really appreciate you. Yes, Geek Squad from Best Buy. Check them out, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'm going to program your bell remote.
Okay.
And then after that, everything should be all set up for you guys. The newest of the newest TVs. Just came out a couple months ago.
You heard that, guys. So you gotta get this one for yourself. It is so cool. Let's try something.
It's not touchscreen.
Oh.